Have you been locked out of your security system? Forgetting your DVR or NVR admin password is a nightmare, but don't panic. In this video, we are going to show you exactly how to reset passwords for security cameras, DVRs, and NVRs using multiple reliable methods. We're going to use a specialized password generation tool that creates master passwords using 4 different entry methods: date, numeric key, serial number, and QR code strings. We will guide you through the step-by-step process of using this software, and the best part is, we are giving it away completely free at the end of this video. It is worth mentioning that while some devices might have slightly different visual interfaces, the underlying system is exactly the same, meaning a single generated password can work across multiple brands and models. Depending on your system's firmware version, there are a few distinct ways to perform this reset. You can reset it using the system date, a numeric key, the serial number, or a QR code. If you don't know which method your specific device requires, simply test them one by one until you get access. The procedure is highly straightforward. If your device uses a date-generated password, your first step is to check the exact date currently displayed on the device clock. It doesn't matter if this date is correct or outdated. Just note whatever the system thinks the date is. Next, type this date into the designated field in our software following the strict order of year, month, and day. Once entered, click the OK button to generate the master password. Now, go back to your DVR, make sure the user profile, admin, is selected, and type in this newly generated password. If it matches, clicking OK will prompt a confirmation message on your screen. Click OK once more to allow the device to reboot. When it turns back on, your system settings and recordings will remain exactly as they were, but the admin password security will be cleared, usually leaving it with a blank password, so you can log right in. The next reliable method is using a numeric key. To make this key appear on your screen, you need to try logging into the device menu with an incorrect password. After a few failed attempts, the system will temporarily lock you out and display a unique numeric key. Copy this exact key and enter it into the numeric key field inside our software tool. Click OK to run the calculation. Now, type the generated password into your security device and click OK. If it is the correct match, the confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK to restart the system, and it will boot back up with the default empty password setup. Our third approach involves using the serial number. In many cases, you can find this serial number printed on the physical sticker located on the bottom or back of your device, right next to the model information. However, some systems might use the P2P Cloud Access serial number instead. If that is your case, you can easily retrieve the serial number directly from the mobile monitoring app on your smartphone. If you are using the XMeye app or any of its many variants, this is exactly how you find it on your mobile screen. If you can't access it via your phone, you can use a network management desktop software such as VMS. As long as your computer and the DVR are connected to the same local network, the software will automatically scan, locate the device, and display its hardware serial number. Once you have it, type the serial number into the corresponding field of our tool and click OK. Use the generated password on your device to regain control. Finally, we have the advanced QR code reset method. Just like before, attempt to log into your device menu with the wrong password until the system triggers a lockout security screen. This will force the system to display a dynamic QR code. To proceed, you need to decode this QR code to extract its raw text string. Many modern smartphones have native QR code scanners built right into the default camera app. You just point your camera at the screen and copy the text result. If your phone camera doesn't do this automatically, simply download any free QR code reader app from your app store. Once you scan the code, if it results in a short string of characters, you can easily type it manually into our desktop software tool. However, if the text string is extremely long, a great trick is to email it to yourself or send it to an account you can access on your PC. Open your email on the computer, copy the long string, and paste it directly into our tool. Click OK, and a unique master password will be generated instantly. Enter this password into your locked device and click OK. If it is compatible, the success message will pop up. Click OK to reboot, and your system will return to factory default credentials. Now you will have full access to your security system again, allowing you to create a brand new, secure password. And as promised at the beginning of this video, we are making this powerful software tool available completely free of charge. Officially, this is a premium, paid tool, but we are releasing it for free exclusively for our channel subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Leave a like on this video, and send a message to our official support WhatsApp using the link and number provided in the video description and pinned comment to claim your free copy. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you, and we will see you in the next video.